following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hello, it's Max & Sons Parfum. How are you doing, people? So today we are going to unbox a perfume box from the US. Okay, so today it arrives today and we are going to open it. Alright, so guys, this is Max & Sons Parfum and we are going to unbox a perfume. I mean the whole box of perfume. I think it's 8 pieces of perfume. Alright, so here we go. As you can see in here, alright, we are going to open on the side. Alright, okay, alright, okay. So that is the first side, I mean the side of the perfume box. And this is the second side. Alright, so you can see now. Alright, now we're going to, I think this one. Okay, alright, as you can see. Alright. Okay. Surprise. Okay, what we got here? Okay, so these are the perfumes. Okay, so as you can see, alright, we have here, first we have here the polo. Oh my god, I have a polo. Maybe this is a gift. Oh my god, okay. This is a miniature polo. Like a small polo. Maybe they gave me a gift. Okay. A small one. Thank you so much for the gift. Okay, alright. I'm so happy with this one. Okay, so we have like 15 ml polo green. I believe this is a free from the company. Okay, alright, thank you from Max & Sons Perfume. See you guys later. Okay, right, so we have here the Issey Miyake. Wow, wood. Oh my goodness, wood. And we have here the Lacoste white. Okay, so we actually have 2 Lacoste white, one for the customer and one for me, of course. Okay, and we have here another one. Here is, wow, the 212 New York Carolina Herrera perfume. Wow, so nice. This is like 200 ml bottle, guys. 200 ml, as you can see. And we have the Sexy. This is Sexy tester bottle as well. Because it's open, we can open it. Actually, it's not sealed. Okay, let me show you. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at this one. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Looks so fancy. Looks so nice. Looks so nice. So it looks so nice. So you can remove like this. So you have two. Oh my goodness, so stunning, so unique, so like exquisite, very nice. Okay, alright, and that is 212 sexy for women. Okay, alright, and what we got here, we have the toy boy. We have the toy boy. Okay, so here's the toy boy. It's also tester battle, as you can see. Alright, toy boy, tester battle. So we cannot open there. Maybe we can open here. Alright, as you can see. Oh my goodness. Look at this tester. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Toy boy. Tester. Okay. And we put inside the box again. Alright. And we're going to put it under like this. Alright, okay, so that is toy boy, guys, and we have the Mont Blanc Legend. Okay, so this is also tester battle, guys, and we are going to like deliver it later on. We can open it actually because it's tester battle if they are not sealed. So this is it. As you can see. As you can see, alright, this is nice battles actually. So these are the but I don't have any papers or like documents inside. Alright, but I think this is complete. So we have here like the Explorer, which is one. We have here. We have the NYC and New York Carolina Herrera for men. We have the Isimeyaki wood, and we have also the toy boy. We have the toy boy, and we have the Lacoste white. Okay, we have Lacoste white over there, and we have actually we have two Lacoste white, and we have the Gift Polos 15 ml. We have the sexy Carolina Herrera sexy here. Okay, so this is it. All the things, I mean all the perfumes that I ordered, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are only 7 bottles. I think I ordered 8, but only 7 came up. So let me see later on. Let me check my receipt later on. So this is it, guys. So once again, this is Max & Sons Perfume, and if you want to buy any one of them, just message me in my Facebook page, and I will be happy to answer you. Okay, so I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bottles actually. So thank you so much. Have a good one, guys, and see you again next time.
Thank you for watching Max and Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.